to know, is investing on stocks halal?
This is a generic question. Stocks is something generic. Shahjan from Uzbekistan.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh wa maghfiratuhu wa sadaqa jariyah.
Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Don't add anything else to that. That's more than sufficient. The Prophet ﷺ used to say that alone. So adding to it, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh wa maghfiratuhu wa sadaqatun jariyatun wa salatu wa salamu ala nabiyyina Muhammad wa aqim as-salat. What are you doing? Khutbah? So we just limit it to what the Muslims all know. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. What can I do for you?
Okay, sorry, Sheikh. So I just had a simple question. So I just wanted to know, is investing on stocks halal?
This is a generic question. Stocks is something generic. There are stocks of liquor companies, Heineken, Budweiser, and the likes. There are stocks of cigarettes, tobacco. There are stocks of entertainment, Netflix, whatever. There are stocks of things that deal with interest in haram, such as banks, financial institutions, insurance. Dealing with haram activities in stocks is totally haram. Now, there are halal activities, manufacturing machines, manufacturing cars, agricultural companies, companies that provide services, utilities, etc. Their activities are halal. So trading in their stocks depends on their financial dealings. Meaning, if they finance their projects through Riba, then you are a partner in that project or that income that is generated. If they deposit their money in Riba-based banks and get interest and give it as dividends, again, this is haram. So it is permissible to deal with stocks, providing that the line of work is halal. Number two, that they do not finance or deal with riba.